Kaya mo yan, pwede kang madapa, pwede kang bumangon ulit. Social media, hindi naman talaga siya palaging totoo. Hindi lahat ng pinapakita ng tao sa social media, yun yung totoong buhay. Yun lang kasi yung mga pinipili nilang ipakita. Kahit anong pagkakamali, no matter how many times na na-disappoint ko sila, nakagawa ako ng mga bagay na hindi dapat, nandyan pa rin sila talaga palagi eh.
Welcome to our Comfort Conversations.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for having me.
So, what we'll be doing today is we'll be playing comfort cards. So, I'll be drawing a card and then you'll pick one.
Okay.
And here is the question.
Anong ginawa mo the last time you felt na parang iniwan ka na ng mundo? Oh, ang bigat. Ang bigat agad. Maybe first, dinamdam ko muna lahat ng emotions, no? Kasi ganun ako eh, parang hindi naman, I don't think it applies to all, pero I'm not the type of person na kapag feeling ko iniwan na ako ng mundo, lahat ng papasok sa isip ko is positivity, like, no, kaya mo yan, pwede kang madapa, pwede kang bumangon ulit. Hindi ako ganun. Parang I take my time to feel the emotions na nafe-feel ko, may it be negative or positive, especially the negative ones. Kasi kapag iniwan ka ng mundo, negative naman talaga, di ba? So I let everything sink in muna. And after that, mag-go on ako, of course. Kailangan palaging lalaban, kailangan palaging magiging okay because again, I have my 2 kids with me. Hindi ako pwedeng mapanghinaan ng loob dahil lang sa feeling ko iniwan ako ng mundo because I have my own world beside me. And dalawa sila na umaasa sa akin. But of course, with the help of my parents and the people around me, kinakaya. Kaya, of course, pati yun, ina-acknowledge ko kasi hindi pwedeng selfish ako na mapanghinaan lang ako ng loob and wala na akong gawin.
Can you please tell us what specific event that you are comfortable to share na parang pakiramdam mo iniwan ka ng mundo?
Siguro itong, to be honest, yung second pregnancy ko with my bunso, with our bunso, with Kion. Feeling ko kasi that time, hindi naman literally parang iniwan ako ng mundo. Feeling ko, I disappointed na naman yung mga tao sa paligid ko. Kaya parang I let them down again. Alam mo yung parang ganun, parang doing and making the same mistakes na akala mo maiiwasan mo na or you thought you know better, hindi pa rin pala. Parang yun yung time na parang ano ba to, napag-iiwanan na ako. Yung mga kaibigan ko, nakikita ko, they're all doing fine, they're all doing good. Alam mo yun, but kapag nagkikita-kita kami ng mga friends ko once in a while, nakikipag-meet ako sa kanila, na-realize ko na lahat kami may mga kanya-kanyang bit-bit eh. Lahat kami may mga kanya-kanyang dinadala, you know. And social media, hindi naman talaga siya palaging totoo. Hindi lahat ng pinapakita ng tao sa social media, yun yung totoong buhay. Yun lang yung nararamdaman nila, yun lang yung status ng pamumuhay nila or ng state of mind nila. Sadyang yun lang kasi yung mga pinipili nilang ipakita. Of course, pili na yun eh. Kaya I learned not to compare myself sa mga tao sa paligid ko because that's very important.
And then read at the
Oh, okay. Nakakatakot yung pakiramdam na parang iniwan ka na. Pero kahit parang wala kang kasama, may mga taong nagmamalasakit sa'yo, promise.
Yeah.
That's true. Very true. This is so true. And I believe this is mainly my family. My parents, of course, sobra, lalo yung mommy at daddy ko. Talagang kahit anong pagkakamali, no matter how many times na na-disappoint ko sila, nakagawa ako ng mga bagay na hindi dapat, nandyan pa rin sila talaga palagi eh. Palaging nasa likod ko, palaging nakaalalay, palaging nakaguide. Kaya I'm very thankful talaga sa kanila.
And you're very lucky for them,
Yes.
to have them.
Yes.
And sila, of
Sobra.
course, sila din naman sa'yo kasi you realize or nakikita mo yung value nila as parents.
Yes, of course. Sobra.
That's nice.
Okay.
And then, we'll pick another card.
Okay. This is a question. What are you healing from? Ooh, madami. Hala, naiyak ako. Hindi din. Ayoko. What are you healing from? Siguro yun from the disappointments I made to the people I love. Siguro isa rin, I'm healing from my old self. Yung dating ako. Because, of course, I'm not perfect. May mga bagay akong nagawa na I'm not really proud of. Alam mo yung parang